What if I told you that 5 major industries we rely on today might not even exist in the next decade? All thanks to AI. Sounds crazy, right? Let's dive in. First up, customer service. Remember when you'd call and talk to a real person? Yeah, AI doesn't forget, doesn't sleep, and definitely doesn't ask for weekends off. From chatbots to voice agents, companies are replacing human reps with algorithms that never get angry customers wrong. So yeah, say goodbye to please hold. Your call is important to us. Next, graphic design. IR tools like Midjourney and Doll are creating stunning visuals in seconds. No coffee breaks, no creative block. Just instant masterpieces. Designers won't vanish completely, but the ones who don't evolve might just get left behind. Third, content writing. Tools like Chat can generate ads, blog posts, and even scripts like this one. Writers who don't learn to work with AI rather than fight it could soon find their jobs rewritten by AI itself. Fourth, data entry and analysis. I loves numbers, and it's terrifyingly good at them. No human can beat a system that reads a million spreadsheets before you finish your coffee. Manual data entry? Finished. Automated systems are already taking over. And finally, transportation. Self-driving cars, drones, and AI logistics are rewriting the roads and skies. Drivers, couriers, and even dispatchers may soon be replaced by code and sensors. The machines aren't coming. They're already here. So, which one do you think will disappear first? Drop your guess in the comments below. And hey, if you love exploring the strange, the smart, and the slightly scary side of AI, like this video, subscribe to the Illusion Hub, and join the illusion.